Hello?
WTF is good, guys. Today we're going to be doing a bike check of my very own Sunday. I don't even know what frame this is. Jordan Ramos right here. Put on speaker. Speaker guy.
Is he coming down today or no?
I don't know. Let's see if this guy answers.
Hello?
Jordan,
What's up?
what kind of frame do I have?
Sunday broadcaster?
Alright, that's it. Thank you, that's all I needed.
Okay, that's it?
Okay, bye. Wait, are you coming to a laundry or no?
Oh, those honkers.
Alright, okay, bye. Alright, so this is my Sunday
Broadcaster.
broadcaster frame.
Dickhead.
Yeah, here she is. Isn't she nice? Got a couple stickers on the guy. A couple more on this side. Represent the guys. First off at the top, we have ODI Softy Grippies. They're nice and soft, just as advertised.
You ride for ODI now?
Next, we have these Odyssey Parens, best Parens ever. PAR, not bar, because, I don't know, ask Odyssey. Next, we have my bent Odyssey Lumberjack XL bars. They're little bent guys. So like this video if you want me to get new bars, because I really need them. This one's bent as John. And then we also have this, the come up sticker. They'll come up. Oh yeah, they have a dent up here too. Film, get close up on the dent. Right there, that guy. Next we have this Stranger top load stem with an Odyssey headset in silver. And
Those damn geese.
shut up! Let's
Yeah. Yeah.
losers.
Hose heads. Alright.
Next we have these Sunday old 24 forks, I think.
Make sure you talk loud, no offense.
Did I say Sunday? I meant stolen.
I don't know.
I meant stolen! But they're not actually stolen, like the company's stolen. I did not steal these, I paid good money for these. Next, the front hub, we have a G-Sport Marmoset front hub. I'm not really sure if it's called Marmoset. I'm not sure. We have just some spokes. Not sure. We got a little broken twisty guy right there, and an Odyssey 74K rim, I believe, and a Chad Curley premium tire. Is he on premium still?
I don't know. Frick.
No, he's not.
He's not?
He's on. Oops, these tires are a little outdated. He's on borrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Next we have this beautiful, pristine condition. The little weld right there. Just don't mind that. Sunday broadcaster.
Broadcaster. You already said that like 3 times.
Sorry, I fucking forgot. Sunday broadcaster in a 27.5. It's a good size frame. I like it. It has these little ridges at the bottom for extra stability. Next, since I just spun these, I got to talk about them now. We have the Odyssey JCPC pedals in black with double pins on one side only because I grind. I have 4 pins. Oh, I forgot the pegs. The pegs in the front are on the left side are the Primo metal ones, and on the right ones are the Primo binary V2 with really small ones because they're grinded down as heck because pickles. OS cranks in 175 millimeters length and 19 millimeter spindle. No clue what bottom bracket is, just bearings, you know, they're all the same. It's regular. Over here we have this Odyssey Gary Young fat seat. Oh, it's a really nice one because their seats are like suede and they fade, but this one isn't, so it doesn't. We have this long seat post that I broke and I actually crazy glued it.
Oh, heck yeah.
Still going strong for like a long time now. I also have this bike light over my stock salt post, clamp post. Yoy. Up,
Yoy.
up.
Highway.
Shit. Next we have this Fit key guard sprocket, I believe. And this stolen chain.
You stole it?
Yeah. Okay, this one, it's a 25 tooth. Moving on to the back, we have a demolition rim laced to a Colt match V1 or V1 guy, coaster guy. And we also have a Primo
Primo hub guard.
Primo hub guard on the drive side, and on the non-drive side we have a Salt universal metal hub guard. There's a lot of guys
Beef.
over there. Hey, Kate. Shh. Shut up. Oh yeah, it's the left side drive, and we still got this Pen 4 tennis ball with another Brokey Spokey. Tubes, no clue. Tires same as the back. Pegs the same as the front. The hub guard in the front is the G Sport, the plastic ones that you zip tie. No clue what they're called. Got one headset spacer. Got fork. What else I got?
I think that's all. I think we're good.
Yeah. We gotta do a helmet check. We have a
S1.
helmet company. Helmet. It's a little broken. S1, if you see this, send me a new one because I didn't break it. You guys did, I promise.
Dang.
I never break anything.
Exposed.
But other than that, it's a good helmet. I got a roadkill sticker because I'm roadkill, because I'm discreet. Fork. You gotta strap it up real quick. You never know when a bird can come and hit you in the head. And yeah,
Thanks for watching.
There's a bunch of guys over there. So we're gonna. I hope my grips didn't get all muddy.
Oh, no, you're good, I think. You gonna beef with him?
Who got beef with me?
Hi, I'm Jordy. This is my Uncle Ken.
100% real beef is a fact. It comes from farms like ours.
Producing beef for
Nicholas Martinez.
100% real beef.
100% real beef is a fact. Here at Cargill, we produce all of the beef patties from
Nicholas Martinez.
There are no additives, no fillers, just Canadian beef.
I don't think they like the barbecue.
Oh, really? Hey, Mr. Man.
I got a better idea.
Oh, he spooked him off.
Who got beef with me? Look out. Straight barbecue powder.
Oops. No. Damn it, Nick.
Eat my food.
Nick Martinez. Ew. Oh, you're a suspect.
Dude, you're going so fast.
Damn.
Actually good. You're actually kind of good, dude.
Dude, if you put this much effort into biking, dang.
How are you good?
I can't.
Nope, doesn't count. Use your hill. Dude, what you're doing is ugly. That was pretty tight.
Thanks for watching my bicycle check. And subscribe to Charlie Winkerman if you haven't already. Like the video so I can get new pants. Zoom in on the... Yeah, see that? Oh yeah, over here too. Oh man, oh man. Oh man. Now look at my bike, it needs to be freshened up. You see that nice weld right there? Just like the MF video. So Charlie can get his gains up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to me on Instagram. You heard that right. Subscribe to me on Instagram. Hello. Woo! Alright, thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to Charlie, like the video, comment all that BS. I mean, not BS, do all that MF ish. And, okay, bye.